photography and the art and video camera quickly to light out. You're more than welcome to take as many pictures as you like. But for the courtesy of the guests around you, please turn the flash off.
Join us. Welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon.
Who was out?
It's a mighty long drop to the canyon floor. So for your safety, stay seated and arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Be sure to watch your kids and no flash pictures. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tomen fotografías con flash. That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today, but it wasn't always that way. Right now, as we travel back in time, back to the fantastic primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Turn the flash off with your camera and courtesy of the guests around you.
Now steaming back to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you'll be leaving us here, stay in your seat till we come to a full stop. And remember to gather all your personal...
Please keep your feet inside the train.
Got it. And step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We surely hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back and see us again real soon. Those of you traveling on...